Here's the red platform to Alewife. It goes that way. Look at this, a creepy elevator. Let's see if it works. Sounds like it does.
The next Alewife train arrives in 4 minutes.
Needless to say, we have time to do this.
Attention Red Line passengers, there is limited train service on the Ashmont branch to April 30th. For service to Ashmont, riders must switch trains at JFK and Mass. Visit MBTA.com/redline for more info.
Smells funny in here. There's the platform. There's the buttons. 125 feet per minute, 2,500 pounds capacity, and we got an alarm, but no. Phone. All right, concourse. I am unsure of this brand. Platform. Button doesn't work very well. Floor counter is burned. Odd that the window is on the opposite side of what it opens. Might be a Schindler. We got 3 minutes. It's got an epic motor. Let's ride it one more time. Don't need to door close. Platform. Thrash on it because it doesn't seem to respond. There we go. I don't know what this brand is. And there it goes. That was the elevator. Hope you enjoyed it.